there you are, YouTube. We are currently Chicago bound because we will be going to Disney World. That's right. So we are actually heading toward Chicago to get in a hotel, and then tomorrow we will be going on a plane to Florida, Orlando, Florida, so that we can go to Disney World. This will be the kids' very first airplane ride ever, so I'm going to document that as well. But we are very excited. We were supposed to do this trip in 2020, but COVID said no, so we pushed it back. COVID said no again, and we are finally making it out, and we are very excited. So come along with us. We made it to Chicago. On the drive here, we found out that one of our kids gets car sick, so that was an adventure, but you're feeling a lot better now, right? You feeling good? Yeah. So yeah, that was I don't know, a new dad experience, I guess. But yeah, we made it. We're just at a sleep-in right now near the airport. Tomorrow we're going to go to the airport and then fly to Orlando. Again, this is a first-time experience for the kids, so that'll be a lot of fun. This is their first time in a hotel where they aren't like really little, so that's new also. Kind of 50-50 on how they feel about it. But we made it to Chicago. Next, Orlando. Right now we got McDonald's on the way. My mom, she's who drove us up here, and then she's grabbing some McDonald's for all of us, and then probably gonna call it a night so that we can wake up early tomorrow morning. The Happy Meals, serendipitously, were Disney themed. I guess it's the 20th anniversary of Lilo and Stitch. And they got little toys like this. Alien Stitch.
No.
Are we gonna meet Stitch at Disney World?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we should show him that.
Can we bring him around?
Yeah. Good idea. McDonald's dinner is done, and now it's bedtime. See you in the morning. Good morning. We just woke up. The kids actually slept pretty well outside of their room. I think it, took some getting used to, but once they fell asleep, and they woke up happy, so that is what is important. And we're all dressed, ready to go, all Disney'd out to head to the airport and then fly to Orlando. What's on your sweatshirt? Who is that? Minnie. And who's on yours?
Goofy and Pluto and Daisy and
Figaro, yeah. Are you guys so excited? Yes. And you guys are gonna fly on an airplane. Woohoo! At the airport, the very busy airport. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
First plane ride ever! That's an adventure. Alrighty, here we go! Good job, girls! Can you wave? Yeah, first time on an airplane. And you got the window seat. Hey, Noni. You working on that buckle? Hey, Noni, look up. Are you excited? Yeah? Chapstick? I think it is. I hope. Is that chapstick? Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Do you even notice anything's happening? Look up there. We're in the sky. What do you think? Isn't that cool? Wow. Is that awesome? Do you like it? Look at that. We're flying just like Peter Pan. Do you like flying? Do you like to fly? Is that fun? Not too sure? That's your leg, sweetie.
No.
Here we go. Yeah, it's gonna get a little bumpy when the wheels hit. And whoa, here we go. It's gonna get bumpy. Whoa! Tighten her up. You did such a good job, sweetie. I am so proud of you. Yeah, give mommy a high five. Good job.
On behalf of
Give me a high five, Nona.
Southwest Airlines and the Florida State Work Release
Good
Program,
job.
we'd like to welcome you here too.
This isn't exactly Disney World, but this is where Disney World is. Look at those palm trees. sunny Florida. This way, kid. Are you happy to be in Florida? Did you have a nice flight? Are you so excited? We finally made it. Now we're just waiting for our ride to get here, and they will take us to the resort. Here.
Look, but stand one on each, scooch over a little bit.
Yeah.
And now you scooch to the other side.
Yeah. Stand by Chip,
Scooch
not in
a
front of
little bit
Chip,
more,
but
a
by
little
Chip.
bit more.
Here, right here. Stand right here. There. Oh, scoot over a little bit more.
No, look at
the
Mama.
other way, the other way, the other way, the other way.
No, look at mommy. Okay, you guys climb up there. You can.
Yeah, it'll go, and then it'll be like
It's like
a
train.
ride.
Remember I was talking to you about monorails? This is like what that is.
Florida.
Here we
If
go.
you're visiting our community, welcome to the city. We want to ensure
Look.
health and well-being is our top priority.
Guys, look, turn around and
You
look.
can turn around and look.
At
We're
all.
on a track.
We're on a track. A little jiggly, huh?
We're glad that you are here and hope that you enjoy the Orlando experience.
Is this fun?
What do you think about that? You like it?
Please hold on to the handrails. The shuttle is approaching the main terminal building. When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A.
You're just telling us what to do.
Wow, that's
Look at
pretty.
the lights.
You see all those?
The lights. Oh.
Look, guys. What does that say?
Look out there. You see Minnie now? Look out the window.
Look out the
Look
window.
out your window, okay?
You're gonna see Minnie.
You see him?
Look! Oh my goodness! Wow! That was so cool. That's cool.
Oh, okay.
This is amazing. There's the boardwalk. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is happening. Oh, is he up there? Look at this. When you're at Disney, you're at home. That's why they say that. Thank you so much. Okay, kid. Go ahead now.
Come on, babe. Okay.
Walk. Walk.
Good work.
Hi,
Hello. Thank you. Here, sweetie.
I will carry there. She's getting lost. Nell.
Mel, we're over here.
Here.
Look at the floor. It's like water.
Where did he say the elevators?
Fifth floor, he said?
I thought, no, the elevators. I thought he said they were the
Oh. I'm taking it in. So we just made it into the resort. We are staying at the Yacht Club and we are in the room. It just looks amazing, very themed towards aquatic, nautical type stuff. There are ships. It's so great. And we're doing club levels, so when we came up here, there were like just loads of people just like waiting for us, telling us what to do on this floor. So it was very helpful, very amazing, and I don't know, almost brings a tear to the eye. But yeah, has like, they have a welcome screen on the TV. It's fantastic. I'll show you around. When we were welcomed aboard the Yacht Club, they gave the kids these fish. And you got pink, your exact favorite color. And show yours, and you got that great green one also. And we got an amazing, I'll show this later, but we have an amazing beach view with a crane also in picture. So that's kind of funny. Looks awesome. I love it. Nautical themed art with a Mickey. The drapes have constellations on them. I love that. The mirrors look like portholes. Love that. I love it all. I don't need to say I love it. USB ports. Always good to have those. I don't know, this reminds me of like a globe or something. I don't know. What is that supposed to be? Something nautical, I'm sure. The fridge almost looks like treasure. Like a treasure chest of some sort. And then, got your coffee. It's just amazing. The kids are loving it. Cool hardwood floors. Bathroom. We got our sinks. We got our toilets. We got our showers. Everything. More treasure chests that you would have aboard a ship. Here is the view from our room. Check it out. This is the water park, the pool, sandy bottom over there, all sorts of water slides. The Yacht Club is very well known for its swimming pools, slides, sandy beaches, everything. And then you have an actual lake over there, and then I believe that's the Boardwalk Resort over there. Pretty beautiful. But now I think we're gonna hit up Disney Springs, check that out, see what they have to offer, maybe get some Gideon's cookies if we can, if there are any left. Check out Uniqlo, clothing store we're interested in shopping at, and we'll just see what happens. Getting on a bus to Disney Springs.
Look at the pink flowers, Nellie.
Look at those.
Springs is where. Come here, Nell. Nellie.
Ooh, look at those pretty flowers.
Nellie, come here. Come look at the flowers.
Meow.
Look. No, we can't pick them.
Yeah, you can't pick them, you can just smell them.
Smell them?
Pretty flowers at the bus stop.
Yeah, let me get a picture of you smelling them. Here, go do that again.
We're gonna be getting on one of these buses here to head towards Disney Springs. Had to fold up the stroller so that we can ride it. But yeah, then we're gonna head out and do our shopping. You guys ready to ride a bus?
Yeah.
pushing you in a second, bud. Are you a little distressed? Do you see it? Do you see all the M&Ms? What color M&Ms are you gonna get? Are you gonna get pink ones? What color M&Ms are you gonna get? Blue and purple? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at what mommy found. Look at that. Are we getting them?
They're $20 each.
Oh my.
Nelly, look at this, just sitting here.
Wow.
You like that?
I don't like it.
Oh, okay. Let me take your mask.
So we just got home from Disney Springs. We are absolutely exhausted. So if we're feeling this tired now, I'm sure the days when we actually go to the park will be much more tired. Kids actually did, I don't know, what would you say? Pretty good, I guess, you know? Could have been worse. But yeah, we went to Chicken Guy and we were so hungry. We just got back to our resort and finished it. But here's some of the sauces. If I had this place at home, if Chicken Guy was at home, this would be my favorite place ever. I love sauces and they deliver on the sauces. Guy Fieri owns this place and it's fantastic. If you're ever near one, I don't know how many there are, maybe like 2. You gotta go. You gotta go. Do the mobile ordering because our order was ready in 10 minutes. The line, however, I don't know, 70 people in it. But if you mobile ordered, not 70 people. 10 minutes. What kind of desserts did we get, kids?
You
Okay. Look at that. That says 50th. That's the iridescent color celebrating the 50th. The key lime pie. What was this one? Strawberry something?
Yeah.
And then this one is like chocolate stuff.
That was a vegan.
And then these are liqueurs.
Those are.
I can't remember what they were.
Elizabeth coming now?
I don't think so.
Oh.
Check it, check it, check it. Choo choo.
Check it, check it, check it. Check it, check it, check it. Check it, check it. Check it, check it, check it.
Choo choo.
Wow, this is a long train
Yeah,
ride.
it is.
Wow,
Long train ride.
that's a long way. Check.
We were so exhausted last night. It's morning, by the way. We were so exhausted last night that we just had to get the kids to bed, which was kind of a rough process because they were used to, at the last hotel we stayed in Chicago, they actually slept in beds. Last night we put them in pack and plays. They were not happy to go back into pack and plays. But anyway, yeah, some of those stores, I mean, Disney Springs was very full, extremely full, much fuller than I was expecting. And we weren't able to, we went to a lot of places and really couldn't buy anything. But we did get a few things at, I think it was called World of Disney. Is that where? Yeah. I don't know. You saw it in the video. So yeah, picked up some things for the kids. I got a shirt. I'll probably show that maybe I don't know, when we get back home or something. My wife got some mini ears, 50th celebration mini ears. And what did you guys get? Little doctor kits, Minnie Mouse doctor kits that came with Figaro. And now that I said those, they want to play with them right now. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one, which will be the Animal Kingdom. And perhaps we'll see you tomorrow for more Pier Hangout.